Hi everyone! Thank you for joining me in this episode of CBD 101. We get a lot of questions from people wondering how our CBD stacks up against other leading oils in the market. Today we'll talk about some common oils out there and how they measure up to CBD. First things first, what other popular oils are out there? To put it simply, there are too many to name. That's why in this video, we're going to focus solely on oils that are commonly compared to CBD. Copaiba, hemp seed oil, cannabis oil, and essential oils in general are most often confused with CBD. But while there's no shortage of oils available in the market, CBD is one of a kind. Copaiba is an oleoresin, which means it's a natural plant product from the copaiba plant that consists of essential oils and a resin. It is steam distilled in order to create copaiba oil, which is high in B-caryophyllene. Many people use it for a calming effect. While some people think that copaiba and CBD are interchangeable, they are entirely different products. Studies and testimonials that show the numerous effects of CBD should not be applied to copaiba. We at Nature's Ultra are big fans of Young Living's Copaiba essential oil. You can be assured that some of our future Smart Spectrum products will include copaiba. In the meantime, if you're looking for some calm in your life, we have the perfect alternative for you. At Nature's Ultra, we currently have a CBD roll-on called Calm. Calm CBD roll-on combines our high-quality Smart Spectrum CBD and Young Living essential oils, including eucalyptus, frankincense, lavender, orange, vetiver, and ylang-ylang flower oils to help you enjoy a restful night's sleep. All you must do is apply it when you are ready to wind down after a stressful day. A lot of people confuse hemp seed oil and CBD oil because they both come from hemp, but they're completely different. CBD is short for cannabidiol, which means it's a natural cannabinoid, or natural chemical compound found in the hemp plant. Hemp seed oil, as its name implies, is an oil that is made by pressing hemp seeds. It does not contain any CBD or other cannabinoids, so it does not interact with your endocannabinoid system. However, because hemp seed oil is cheaper to produce than CBD oil, some companies attempt to mislead people into believing they have the same properties. At Nature's Ultra, we believe that our customers deserve the very best. That's why all of our products contain our premium Smart Spectrum CBD oil. We agree that hemp oil is a great carrier oil, and you will find it in our Calm roll-on. What is cannabis oil, and what is the difference between that and CBD? This one is tricky. Cannabis is a genus of flowering plants, and there are several species of cannabis plants, including the hemp plant, from which we get CBD. While CBD comes from the cannabis plant, cannabis oil itself is a blanket term for any oil from the plant, and it may or may not contain CBD. While cannabis oil isn't a bad thing in and of itself, the term cannabis oil is too vague to be useful. For example, let's say you pick up a bottle of cannabis oil at the store. Could it be a high-quality CBD oil product that contains 0% THC? Sure. Is it? Honestly, probably not. After all, if it were high-quality CBD, it would be labeled that way. What else is in it? Transparency is important to us here at Nature's Ultra, so when you pick up a bottle of our CBD, you'll find the CBD content clearly labeled. We have a rigorous quality assurance system to ensure that our CBD is pure, contains 0.0% THC, and is free from any contaminants such as pesticides, heavy metals, and harsh chemicals. And to give you peace of mind about exactly what is in our CBD, you can simply scan the QR code on the label, and this will take you to our quality assurance page. Now that you know about some specific oils, what about essential oils? Essential oils are natural oils that are extracted from plants. They offer a variety of benefits, and many people around the world have experienced the impact they can have. At Nature's Ultra, we are big fans of essential oils. That is why we design our products to give you the best of both worlds. We start with our premium grade CBD, which comes from partner farms that use organic and sustainable farming practices. Throughout the entire process, we rigorously test the isolate to ensure that the final product is potent, pure CBD that contains 0.0% THC. Once we have the best quality CBD possible, we combine it with Young Living essential oils. Young Living is the world leader in essential oils, and their seed-to-seal commitment to quality make their oils the perfect complement for your CBD. How does CBD compare to other oils? We don't want to leave you with the impression that there are not good oils besides Nature's Ultra CBD. There are oils available that offer a wide variety of potential benefits. But if you are looking for the highest quality CBD oil that contains 0.0% THC and is completely transparent about where it is from and what it contains, look no further than Nature's Ultra CBD. How do consumers choose between the different oils? If you are the kind of person who wants the best for their family and for themselves, then Nature's Ultra is right for you. We create oils that pass the highest standards of quality, containing 0.0% THC and are seed-to-seal certified. We encourage you to research products that you are thinking about using to see if they meet your needs. And once you've considered all the other oils that are available, we are confident that your search for the best oil will lead you right back to Nature's Ultra. Now that you know how CBD stacks up against other oils available in the marketplace, it is time to make a purchase so you can start including CBD in your own life. Thank you for joining me in this episode of CBD 101. Please like and subscribe below, and remember to send in your questions.